You guys already know what time of the month it is. Let's go ahead and clean off September's tray, which was a really good tray. Honestly, guys, I enjoyed almost every single fragrance. Look at that one. Like, I really put some dents in these this month. So yeah, you guys, if you enjoyed this tray, stay tuned for October's tray next.
Alright, you guys, so the first fragrance I'm going to be bringing to the tray for October is going to be Eclaire by Lattafa. And if you don't know, which I'm sure everybody does by now, this is a dupe for Bianco Latte, which I do also have, but I wanted to bring her out. I do enjoy the scent of this, but honestly, I do not like the bottle. So I'm definitely going to work on using this one up, you know, sometime this year or next year. I'm not sure. It just depends on how much is in here, but I do like the scent, but I hate the bottle. But we're going to go ahead and put her on the tray for this month. Alright, you guys, these next two that I'm going to be showing are from the same brand. They are from a dupe house called Mimic, which I really enjoy, but I'm showing them both at the same time because they are dupes from two fragrances I had on my tray last month. It's none other than Mimic's 108 and 166. Both of these are dupe of Kayali fragrances. This 108 is a dupe for Kayali's Vanilla Rock Sugar, and 166 is a dupe for Kayali's Jambuchi Marshmallow. So again, I've had both of these on the tray last month, but I really enjoyed the scent of them, so I wanted to go ahead and pull out the dupes so I can continue to play with them this month. We have a fragrance that I have not brought out in quite some time. This is Acro Bake, and this is one of the best lemon gourmand fragrances that I have in my collection. I realized that I have not pulled out any lemon scents in quite some time, so I wasn't sure which ones I want to pull out. I kind of did like an eeny meeny miny mo, and this is the one I went with. So yeah, we're going to be playing with her this month. Alright, a new fragrance that we're going to be playing with this month is a very inexpensive fragrance. This is by the brand True Fragrance, and this is Vanilla Potion Elixir. I know my bottle looks a little beat up. It's just, that's how it came. It was the last one in the store, but y'all know I had Vanilla Potion on the tray last month, so I was like, let's go ahead and play with Elixir this month since I recently found her. So we're going to be playing with her. Alright, it's been a minute since I brought a Zara to the tray, and this is a really nice fragrance. This is Zara. This is the Red Sweet Temptation. So y'all know Red Temptation is like a dupe for Baccarat, and I do kind of like that DNA now, and I did recently use up an actual Red Temptation, but this is Sweet Red Temptation, or I don't know which order it's in, but this is the sweet version. So it smells like that, but it has some added sweetness. It has some vanilla in this, and this is so pretty, you guys. It's such a really nice, just like, I don't know, almost skin scent, but it's pretty and soft, and I really like this one. I think I got this one on sale a while ago, but I like this one so much I would consider purchasing a bigger bottle if they sold it. But we're going to be bringing her to the tray. Bringing another duo to the tray. We're going to bring out Sabrina Carpenter's Sweet Tooth. We have the original Sweet Tooth, and then we have Sweet Tooth Caramel Dreams. I think that's what the name of it is. And they're both really nice, soft, sweet, gourmand fragrances. Very pretty, a little powdery. Love these, and I have not played with these in quite some time, so I wanted to go ahead and bring these both on the tray this month. It's not a tray if we don't bring out at least one Kayali, you guys. So ooh, yeah, this is one of my favorite Kayalis. This is the first launch of the Oudgasm collection. This is Vanilla Oud, literally my favorite oud out of all of the ones I have tried. I did recently smell the chocolate oud. I did like that one, but it wasn't giving chocolate, so I did not purchase that one. But this one is amazing. It's literally one of the best. It's such a sexy fragrance, and I love to pull this one out in the fall and the winter. And since this is spooky season, I thought this was perfect, so we wanted to go ahead and pull her out and bring her to the tray. You guys, the next fragrance is one again that I haven't brought out in a while. A lot of these I haven't really brought out in a while. This is an older bottle. This is Pinrose Secret Genius. This I got years ago, I think from Ulta maybe, when it was on sale, and they have since changed the packaging. It actually was first sold at Sephora and then they stopped selling it, but this is a really nice cozy scent. It kind of reminds me of a philosophy fragrance, kind of like warm cream. What is it? Warm cream cozy cashmere. I don't know what it's called, y'all, but it kind of reminds me of that. I was kind of pulling between this one or that one to pull on the tray. I think I'll bring that one out next month. But yeah, this one is a really nice fragrance. I do enjoy this one. We're gonna work on using this one this month, not so much to use her up, but to use her. This one is one I could not wait to pull out. This is Burberry Goddess. This is the original one. This is the heavy lavender one, and I have been craving a little bit of lavender. And spoiler alert, I will be having some lavender products in my project Use It Up for October. So I wanted to pull her out and bring her to the tray. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I do want to get some of the Bath and Body Works products that are dupes for this fragrance. I do have the spray, but I have yet to get any of the body care. I wanted to pull her out and bring her to the tray. Then we're gonna bring in 5 Sens In Too Deep, and this is Tahitian vanilla and sandalwood, and this is really nice. It also has a little bit of like sweetness, almost like it has some sort of berry note in here or something. I'm not sure that it does, but this one is really nice. It's a little bit different than your typical vanilla, so I wanted to just put this one on the tray and play with her. And then again, with the very last 2 fragrances are another double, and these are both by Monde Gourmand. We have cafe caramel and pumpkin creme, and of course I needed to put some sort of pumpkin scent on here for Halloween, and I just have to keep a caramel scent on here. Even though I do have a caramel scent on here, I wanted to add this one to play with this one. So both of these can be found at your local Marshalls or TJ Maxx, so I couldn't wait to play with this one, so I'm happy to have this. So yeah, you guys, this is my tray for October. Normally I show you guys my body care, but honestly I have not pulled it out right now. I currently still have stuff in bags to do videos on, so I will do that in another video. But this is Vlogtober, you guys, to be working on a video every single day for the month of October. As you guys know, I've been doing Vlogtober for the last couple of years. So stay tuned for all the fun videos coming up this month, as well as my combos, my project Use It Up, and just a bunch of new fall videos. If you have any recommendations for videos that you want to see, feel free to comment down below and let me know, and I will talk to you guys in another video. Bye guys.